So let's talk about Tripwire offers and why they're so effective whenever you're a marketing agency, and why they're probably more effective than running lead magnets. First off, what is a Tripwire offer? Well, a Tripwire offer is a low effort, low cost, high value service offering that you can provide to your clients that will turn them into paid customers quickly. Now, what this really should be is it's not meant to be your number one offer, the thing that you're going to get rich off of, but it's your foot in the door as an agency, a way for you to bring clients on board quickly with minimal upfront commitment on your side. A Tripwire offer should solve a specific problem for the client and provide a quick win for you so that you can deliver immediate tangible value to your client. And it should have really, really low setup time on your part. It should be a low ticket item in terms of cost and everything like that. And then ultimately it should be self-liquidating, meaning that it should pay for itself. Any marketing that you're doing, any acquisition should pay for itself whenever you bring clients on. So keep in mind that the goal isn't to make your Tripwire offer a profit center, right? Unless you plan to scale it later. But what it really should be is a client acquisition tool that positions you to sell your high ticket services later on. So why is AI chat such an effective Tripwire offer? Well, AI chat provides immediate tangible value for businesses. It's a really quick win, and it's very easy from the side of the agency perspective. And I'll get to that in a minute on how exactly that works. But when it comes to tangible value, AI chat is going to provide more appointments without spending more money on ads. It's going to reactivate cold leads that they have in their system that are already there, and it's going to actively engage their prospects. So they're going to start getting value from the AI chat right away. And the business owner, the person that you're working with all the time, they're going to be putting less effort in on their side, because now off hours chat is handled by their AI. Now they're starting to get more appointments that are coming in and things like that. And they're starting to realize more return on their existing ad spend if they're running ads, or however their acquisition strategy is. So on top of that immediate tangible value, you're building trust with your clients because you're the agency that they trusted to put in this AI chat service. And now you're able to provide quick wins for them. And because it's a super low ticket, they got to get into it with you at a low investment on their part. So a super low risk on their part. So you're building trust early on with quick results. And then lastly, it's a low effort on your side as the agency, just because of the tools that you're going to be using to set the AI chat up. But from the perspective of the business owner, it is a high perceived value. So they don't necessarily know how to set up AI chat tools, or they would have already done it. So you're basically providing all of these great results for them. And it's a low, you're not spending a lot of time building these things or managing these things day to day. So it just becomes something that you can help the business out with. And on top of that, AI is just super big in the industry right now. Everybody's aware of tools like ChatGPT and all of these other AI tools that are coming out right now. So it's just a high top of mind buzzword, I guess, in all of these industries. People are interested in getting AI incorporated into their businesses. So now I want to talk about how the Tripwire strategy fits into your agency's growth. So the benefit of running these Tripwire offers are that it gets you involved early on in the funnel. Now, assuming you run your agency through high level, it allows you to build up a client base at a low cost. Again, it builds up a client base where now you're getting sub accounts built into your system, regardless of the service that you're providing, whether it's paid ads or websites or what have you. The AI Tripwire positions you in a way where now you're getting involved in these different areas of their marketing funnel. So again, regardless of whether you're building websites or you're running paid ads or what you're doing, you're going to have to learn about how these how their existing sales funnel works currently, right? And how you can kind of incorporate your services into what they're doing today. And then whenever you add AI chat into those things, it gives you some insight early on into what they do as business, so that you'll be able to provide additional insight and value later on. Another thing here is that it's going to position you as the go-to expert whenever it comes to these type of things, since now you're already providing results for them through this AI chat tool, and they're getting more appointments, they're getting all this stuff, and now you're aware of their existing systems as they're already in place. Now when it comes to, hey, we need this additional thing built in high level, if that's what you do, or hey, we want to scale this up a bit and get some more leads into our system if you run paid ads, now you're going to be that go-to expert that they can rely on to kind of take the next step here. And then, like I said, it establishes a lot of trust from the perspective of the client, because you came in, you delivered results early on with the AI chat, and then they're going to be much more likely to invest in your high ticket services later on, because you've already kind of proven that value to them. So again, the goal isn't to make this AI Tripwire kind of your be all end all offer that you're providing everybody. Unless that's what you want, unless you want to be like an AI agency that's building different campaigns. But again, you're always going to be looking to transition that to a high ticket offering, not just provide like a basic AI chat campaign. The goal is ultimately to transition those clients to the higher ticket services that you have. So if that's paid ads, getting them in the door with the AI chat tools, and then upselling them to your higher ticket offering later on. So in this course, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up the AI Tripwire, how to build it into your own agency in a way that is scalable, and it requires virtually no effort on your side to set this up for all of your clients. And then I'm going to walk you through the exact strategies for transitioning clients from the AI Tripwire to your high ticket service, whatever that is, so that you can be positioned as a trusted marketing expert or marketing partner for your clients. So I'll walk you through all the tools that you need to get everything running. Obviously, we're going to be using Cerebra AI to get your AI chats set up for each of your clients. And then on top of that, we're going to be using Cerebra's AI Prospector to do kind of handle the outreach and handle the demos for the lead acquisition strategy. So let's dive into the course.